My name is Eric Friedman. I'm here at the KBIS 2019 with Nicholas Rees from Kucht. Nick, how long have you been coming to the show, and tell us a little bit about how it has been for you?
Okay, this is our fifth KBIS, and we are presenting some new products, new features, and new colors.
Kucht offers three varieties of colors. We have our classic stainless steel. We offer tuxedo black if you wanted to upgrade, and a royal blue.
And what's the crowd's favorite?
Definitely the royal blue.
And Paul, what is your experience working with Kucht? And
I've been in business for 39 years, and I've seen everything. And the product sells itself, constantly retuning them and readjusting them and making them a better product. And day by day, they just get better.
David, please tell us a little bit what's going on with Kucht, what's new.
What's new with Kucht is we're actually starting a new line of range tops that's actually being manufactured in Germany. As you know, Germany has a long-lasting, very good history of creating great products, and we're very excited to be moving in that direction.
Lauren, what's going on with this?
So I'm here presenting the virtual reality aspect of the Kucht kitchen. So you can put these goggles on and you're taken into the experience of what a Kucht kitchen would look like inside your home.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, very smart. It's so cool.